going on, guys? Chris here with Tactical Outdoorsman, and today we're going to be talking about Newbold targets, so stick around. Oh, hey guys, sorry, I was just checking out my quarantine cut. Gave myself a little bit of a fade and buzzed my hair off. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Newbold. So if you guys don't know about Newbold, they're a family-owned company. They're based out of New Jersey, so right next door to New York here. I met them over at SHOT Show when I was there in January. They were nice enough to send us out a dueling tree. So let's talk a little bit about this and what it is. So their whole line of targets are polymer self-healing targets. The idea is to shoot these guys, have your projectile pass straight through and into whatever your backstop is. So pretty simple concept, but a very good one. So let's talk about what comes in this kit here. So we have six 6-inch plates, and we have the 6 polymer brackets, as well as the screws for the mounting hardware here. Okay. This also comes with a gauge, which you can use to get a cant on your 2x4 here. So what you're going to want to do is the 2 legs, cut them at 3 feet long, and you're going to want a 10-degree cant. So you're going to use this tool up against the side of the 2x4 to measure out your 10-degree cant. Okay. So you have the 2 3-foot legs, and you have the 1 5-foot 2x4 that the dueling tree is going to get mounted to. All right, and that's what comes in your kit. Now, this came in several weeks ago. I got it out to the range. I met my buddy Frank Maloney from Renaissance Firearms Instruction. We had a little bit of fun. We'll get some B-roll up and show you what we were doing.
If he dies, he dies.
One of the things I love about these is they are polymer, obviously. And why do I like that? Because I don't have to worry about ricochets when I'm doing drills that are up close. Okay? You can't do the sort of things we were doing with steel plates or a steel dueling tree without having to worry about catching a ricochet, and I don't want to have to worry about that. Okay? Now you might be thinking, polymer, you know, how good is this? Am I going to shoot it a couple hundred times and it's going to turn to junk? Well, no, that's not the case. There's probably about 50 to 100 rounds on each of these plates. We'll get a close-up, and you guys can count them for yourself. I did a rough count, but you guys could do a more detailed count, hit the pause button, and count them up if you want. But there's about 50 to 100 on some of these plates here. The reason I know that they're going to last is because this is not the first time I'm using them. My buddy Frank, that owns Renaissance Firearms Instruction, we do classes, and we have some of these polymer targets that are in the classes that have been in service for a very long time, and they have over a 20,000 round count on them, and they're still going. So don't think you're going to buy these and after 500 or 1,000 rounds that they're going to be no good. That's not the case. Okay? All right, guys, that's all I got. So head over to newboldtargets.com, check out what they've got. If there's something there that you're interested in, grab some. They're right over in New Jersey, my next door neighbors, so show them some love. All right? We'll see you next time. Take care, guys.